Howdy folks, today's tutorial we're going to be just looking at a quick review of multiplication. Okay, review of multiplication. So we'll be doing column multiplication and we'll look at some easy numbers to start with and then some more challenging ones. Again, this is a quick review, so if you need some extra help, please make sure that you ask in class. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at a nice easy one, 13 times 9. Okay, now obviously we need to make sure we know our times tables quite well, so that's very important. Okay, so 13 times 9. You'll notice here that I've just put them underneath each other. You should be used to this. So we're just doing 3 times 9, or alternatively 9 times 3, whichever you feel more comfortable with. 3 9s are 27. Okay, just like with the addition, subtraction, column addition stuff, we want to carry the 2. 1 times 9 is 9, add the 2 makes 11. Okay, nice and easy, got my answer. Okay, so very straightforward. It's going to go into a double digit now, so we'll do a 13, we'll do times by 39. Okay, so a little bit more challenging. Hopefully you remember how to do this. So just like we did for the last one, we're going to do 13 times 9 again. We're going to ignore the 3 and just do 13 times 9. So 3 times 9 makes 27, carry the 2. 1 times 9 is 9, 10, 11. Okay, so basically all we've done is 13 times 9. Now for the second line, we're going to break it up into doing 13 times 30. So basically what we've done the first time is this. Now we're going to do this. Okay, because if I add those two together, then obviously that makes 39. So now, in order to counter for that 0, that 30, we're going to put a 0 down. That makes the 30 part. Now let's do 3 times 3 makes 9. 1 times 3 makes 3. Okay, so basically we've done those two separate sums, and we should know hopefully to get the answer we simply need to add them. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 9 plus 1 makes 10. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 plus 1 makes 5. My answer is simply 507. Now sometimes we get questions that look a little bit like this. Okay, for question 3, they might be like this. Let's say 13 times 279. And people think that we have to go ahead and do 13 times 279. Now, I always say put the biggest number on top, because if I've got 3 numbers on the bottom, it means I'm going to be having 3 lines. Okay, so what I'm going to write instead is 279 times 13, because it doesn't matter which way you times these. You know, hopefully you've looked before at the sort of statement that 2 times 3 equals 6 and 3 times 2 equals 6. They're exactly the same. So it doesn't matter which way you multiply them. But this way's going to be quicker. 9 times 3 is 27. Carry the 2. 7 times 3 is 21. 22, 23. Carry the 2. 2 times 3 makes 6. Add the 2 makes 8. Okay, so I've done the 3. Now we're going to count for that. We're going to do it times 10. So put the 0 down for the 10 part. 9 times 1 makes 9. 7 times 1 makes 7. 2 times 1 makes 2. And now my very last step in order to get the answer is add them. So 7 and 0 is 7. 9 and 3 makes 12. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 7 is 16. 1 plus 2 makes 3. My answer is 3,627. The only other question I'm going to show you, so for question 4, is something like this. Nice and easy, 13 times, let's say 200, we'll do 2,000. Now we could again put it in the format of 2,000 multiplied by 13, but hopefully you'll remember that when you're timesing by numbers which has zeros on the end, okay, you can actually ignore the zeros and just add them at the end of the question. So in this case, I'm just going to do 13 times 2. Now, hopefully you shouldn't need to do this, but 3 times 2 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2. Hopefully you know that 13 times 2 is 26. And all I'm going to do now is add my 3 zeros on the end, and I've made 26,000. Okay, hope you enjoyed this session. Should be fairly easy anyway for you, but if you have any questions or you need some extra practice, please make sure you ask me, or just do some of your questions yourself, make them up, and then you can check them on your calculator. Okay, have a great day, guys.